Have you ever wondered how much money YouTube animal story channels like this actually make? This channel, focused solely on bunny stories, has attracted 2 million subscribers and over 500 million views, generating at least $130,000 in revenue. All this income comes from heartwarming videos about a single rabbit. You won't believe that these videos can be generated for free with just one click using AI. I generated this video using Novi AI, the AI video generator. It's 100% free. Let me guide you step by step. First, we can use ChatGPT to generate scripts and details for stories. Take a screenshot of someone else's channel and share it with ChatGPT to mimic and provide a story outline. Choose your favorite story outline and let ChatGPT elaborate on it to develop the story content. You'll see that ChatGPT has described the visuals and prompts. So convenient. Then let's head down to the comment section below and open Novi AI. Wow, look at this interface. It's so clean and user-friendly. On the left, you'll see the toolbar, which includes features like text-to-video and the super popular cat video generator. On the right, there's a showcase of finished projects. Let's open one and take a look. Whoa, it's a 3D animated story about a rabbit. The visuals are so vivid and lifelike. Seeing this really makes me want to start creating right away. Open Novi AI, paste the story text from ChatGPT into the prompt input area of Novi AI. Here you can select the video's aspect ratio and language. I'll go with 16:9 in English. Now it's time to choose the style for your video. As you can see, there are several different styles to pick from. 3D cartoon, Disney style, comic book, GT, anime, and more. You can choose whichever style best suits your story. Since my video is about animals, I'm going with Pixar style. Once you've made your selections, just click AI Generate. When it's done, you'll see how the AI splits your story into multiple scenes. Each scene gets its own image, so the more lines your script has, the more scenes it'll generate. If you want to make changes to any of the scenes, you can easily edit the descriptions right here. This step is very important, so I didn't skip it much. You need to put all the sentences describing the same scene in the same shot so that Novi AI can accurately help you generate the corresponding pictures in the scene. Unnecessary sentences can be deleted here. Let me demonstrate it to you. Then select Generate. Wow, Novi AI processes the text and produces beautiful images. If you're not satisfied with the visuals, you can use AI drawing to redraw them. Now this scene is what I want after redrawing. If you want to turn the images into animations, just click here to generate it with one click. On the right, you have various voice options and font styles to customize your video. Novi AI includes all the elements you need, eliminating the need for additional voiceover or editing software. You can complete the entire video production in one AI tool. It's incredibly convenient and time-saving. Highly recommended. If you want to modify the voiceover and subtitles, you can input prompt directly here and just click to regenerate. Wow, let's check out the final file together.
On a stormy day, as dark clouds loomed overhead and rain poured down in torrents, a rabbit with a bright red backpack walked in the forest. A gray mouse fell into a turbulent river and was struggling in the water, with its upper body exposed. The rabbit stood on the shore and looked at the mouse in surprise. The little mouse was successfully rescued ashore by the rabbit. The little mouse was very grateful to the rabbit. When the harsh winter arrived, bringing with it biting cold and scarce food, the mouse remembered the rabbit's kindness. Despite its own limited supplies, the little mouse gathered what it could, tiny seeds and bits of dried fruit, and ventured out into the snow. With determination, it made its way to the rabbit's burrow. When the rabbit opened the door, it was surprised to find its small friend standing there, offering the food it had stored. The two became friends, sharing stories and laughter.
This entire video production process takes no more than 5 minutes, really fast and easy. Most importantly, all the tools mentioned are free, especially Novi AI, which allows for direct text-to-video creation. It's just too convenient. I'll drop the download link in the comments below so everyone can download it for free. Getting rich is not a dream, okay? That's all for today's video. Remember to subscribe to our channel. If you found these tips helpful, share them with your friends. See you next time.